Good morning again, my friends. And here we have a little blue bird. You don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. Love will draw an elephant through a keyhole. A loving heart is the beginning of all knowledge. I don't select these cards. I just shuffle the deck and they fall out in the order that they fall out. And the same with these little words. Be nice to you. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. And I try to do that every day. I use what I have. I am who I am. And I will see you again soon.